CleanFire outdoor wood furnaces are built in the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility in northwest Minnesota. CleanFire furnaces combine high-quality components with advanced technology, making them easy to use and long-lasting. Raw steel is loaded into laser cutters where the individual parts and pieces of the furnace are made to exact specifications. Some of these parts are sent through the powder coat paint booth before being placed on racks, ready for the assembly line. The core of the CleanFire furnace is the stainless steel firebox. Stainless steel offers superior corrosion resistance, allowing the CleanFire outdoor wood furnace to last a lifetime. The firebox pan and refractory are installed in the firebox with a specialized robotic arm. The primary air delivery tubes are installed in the upper firebox, along with some necessary wiring harnesses before moving into the foam booth. Every CleanFire furnace is insulated with spray-on urethane foam insulation. This insulation has been used on outdoor wood furnaces for over 30 years with great success. After the unit is insulated, it moves down the assembly line where components and tin are installed. Heavy-duty doors with solid handles make loading and accessing the furnace easy every time. The Firestar combustion controller and electrical components are installed and quality checked before final assembly. The polished fit and finish make the CleanFire look great in any yard. For more information on the CleanFire outdoor wood furnace, visit WoodMaster.com.